Hello, me SK Raj, AutoCAD trainer as well as motivational speaker. Today I'm going to show you how to install Revit 2022 latest version from Autodesk official site. Please don't skip any part of the video. Before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. क्रोम ब्राउज़र पे चला जाता हूँ. यहाँ पे सर्च बार में लिखना है आपको ऑटोडेस्क स्टूडेंट और यहाँ पे क्लिक कर देंगे. Now just go below. I will tell you where you have to click. So see carefully, student and education software 1 year license Autodesk. You have to click on it. This is the official site of Autodesk. I'm sure I am much guaranteed if you are submitted the proper legal documents to Autodesk, 200% sure your AutoCAD will run or any software will run to your computers. So here you can see unlock educational access to Autodesk product. Just click here, get started. Okay. If you have already an account, you can simply sign in, or if you are a new, just create account. So I will just create account. So click here, choose your country. So I am from India. You can choose educational role. You have to get these options: student, educator, IT, design. I will choose the student because I'm going to download for my student version. Here you can choose your date of birth. Here you have to put institution type. So high school, secondary, university, post. If you are from school, then click on high school, and if you are from university post, just click on university. Make sure that you have a proof that you have documents or ID card. So I have my ID card recently I have, which is university post. So I click on university post secondary and just click next. यहाँ पे आपको जो भी फिल कर लेना है, आपका नेम जो कि उस यूनिवर्सिटी से जुड़ा हो या फिर जिस भी इंस्टीट्यूशन से जुड़ा हो, को यहाँ पे ईमेल डाल लेनी है. Then to confirm your eligibility for educational access to Autodesk product, we just need to know a little more about you. So just give your name of educational institution. So I am from Arka Jain University, so I put here Arka. So here you will get result, Arka Jain University, Saraikela Kharsawa, Jharkhand. So where you belong, just put the right of your university or school name and enroll from date, year, expected graduation date, and just to click on. So here you can see that hi SK, we still need to confirm your eligibility for educational access education product. So just click on get started. यहाँ से आपको काम कंप्लीट कर लेना है. यहाँ से आपको ड्रैग डॉक्यूमेंट्स हेयर और ब्राउज़र यहाँ पे क्लिक करके आपको आईडी कार्ड भेज देनी है, या फिर आपको ट्रांसक्रिप्ट भेज देनी है, या फिर कंफर्मेशन लेटर. ओके, तो आप तीनों में से कोई भी एक भेज सकते हो. तो मैं इसको कंप्लीट कर लेता हूँ. When you have done your sign in, so you will get this message: hi SK, your educational access to Autodesk product is valid through December 1, 2022. choose a product below. So you just go below and you can choose any of the product of Autodesk, AutoCAD, 3ds Max. So now I'm going to unlock Revit or download Revit. So simply click here to get product. Okay, so simply click here, get product. Now you have the option, so you can select also the any versions of this. So I'm going to download 2022. You can also choose the your preferred language, so I'll go for English. Before install this, you must click their drop down menu. I will click on download, but before clicking to download option, we need to must do a setting. Just simply click to this three dots and just click on settings. And now you can type on the search setting pop and just click here site setting, go down, click here pop-ups and redirects. Here you can see this is my setting is don't allow site to set pop-up. So I have to click on this check mark, so site can send pop-up redirect. So now I'll just cut it. Now I'll go back and now I just click on this drop down menu and clicking on download. So if I will click on download, so total many files will downloaded once. Okay, so I'll just click on download. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 total 5 files are downloading. So you have to must do that setting so that your product will download completely. They will not get any missing option. So please download it carefully, total 5 files. So please wait, have patience until they downloaded. All files are downloaded properly. So you just simply click here and open. Wait for a few seconds or minutes, have patience guys. Now just click on run. You can extract to, you can select the destination folder also. So click on OK. Wait, this is going to be completed. So here you can see legal agreement. You can choose the language. You can read these terms and conditions or just check this I agree and click on next. Click on install. Now installing Revit is starting. So please wait until it's complete 100%. Have patience. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. If you done this, it means a lot for me. So यहाँ पे Revit जो है वो स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो प्लीज़ हैव पेशेंस. Revit इज गोइंग टू बी स्टार्टेड. चैनल पे नए हैं तो अभी कर लो सब्सक्राइब और बेल आइकन पे कर दो हिट. तो यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। यहाँ पे आपको ऑप्शन मिल रहा है साइन इन विथ योर ऑटोडेस्क आईडी, इंटर सीरियल नंबर, यूज नेटवर्क लाइसेंस। सो वी डोंट हैव सीरियल नंबर एंड विल नॉट गेट टू यूज अ नेटवर्क लाइसेंस। तो यहाँ पे मैं फिलहाल क्लिक करूँगा साइन इन विथ आईडी। ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे। Here you can simply sign in with your registered Gmail. So I just put my Gmail here. Verify your password.